That's a high resolution.
So Dad, talk to me. Don't you understand my trauma that I'm gonna go through?
Okay. We give you these so you will be better. You don't get terrible diseases.
He's looking at the camera.
Are you a star? Are you a born star?
You have hiccups? So where are we, Gareth?
We're at the pediatrician's for his 2-month shots to start of his vaccines, so he can be a healthy boy. And today is what would you pertussis?
Yeah.
And polio? No, I don't think polio.
Looks like there's 3 or 4 shots over there.
Yeah. Good
Now let's see. Here's your stuff, bud. 1, 2, 3-ish. Maybe some stuff that goes in your mouth. Here's some Garfield Band-Aids for after. You could tell Dad.
How do you feel about this whole thing?
Hi, buddy. Are you looking at the camera?
I'm looking at Mama.
Are you kicking? Says, I think that's her. I can't quite see that far. Said I had some food before I came up here. And I cried a lot in the car, which probably made me have some hiccups.
I'm fighting.
And he just let out some gas for you. He weighs 12 pounds, 11 ounces.
Correct. And 24 inches
24
long.
inches long.
He's growing like crazy.
Which he's grown about 2 inches in a month.
Yeah.
Griffey, are you thriving? Even though you get mad at Mommy and Daddy an awful lot? You're eating good?
It does feel like that, doesn't it?
What do you see over there? What do you see, bud? Should we say hi to the regular people?
Give your shout outs.
Want to give some shout outs again? How do we go? We go with Aunt Julie. Uncle Mike. Aunt Nancy. Uncle Doug. Where do we go? Let's do Aunt Sue's. You know who we forget sometimes, Griffey? Your cousin Katie. Oh, don't forget Katie. And we go to Grandpa Gino. Grandma Mary Lee. Grandpa BR. Grandma Gigi. How about your Moosey? Oh, goodness. See how good I am at the doctor's office, everybody? It will last just so long, maybe.
This is the before. We'll show you the after.
Right. I don't know if I can tape the after. Dad, how are you doing?
Oh, alright. A little tired.
Because you're a great dad. That's why he's tired. He's the best dad. And therefore he's tired taking care of Mommy and Griffey. And people at this play.
Let's not talk about the play.
Let's not talk about it. Okay, Griffey. You want to say bye-bye for now? Say bye-bye. Say bye. See how long I am, everybody?
Long John, son.
That was for Jules. Bye, everybody.